So how you can change this text color by using command prompt. So for that you have to write help space color. Okay, as you can see there is so many color: black, blue, green, aqua, red, purple, yellow, white, gray, light green. So for changing the color you have to write color space. So for example, if I want to make it blue, so I have to write 01. Okay, it has turned into blue. So if I want to make it purple, so I have to write color space, purple is in the 5 number, so then 05. Okay, it has turned into in purple. So then if I want to make it green, so color 02. So this is my favorite actually. So you can try this out. So okay, if you want to make it light red, so then you have to write color C. It has turned into light red. So you can change whatever you want. So thank you, thanks for watching.